stood still. Silent was the night, yet the heavens were awake. As shepherds trembled softly at the sound the angels make. A star burned on the skyline like a promise glowing bright, and the world so worn and weary felt the first breath of his light.
No crib within the stable could contain the holy king, but his mother held him closely as the heavens seemed to sing. Glory in the highest echoed softly through the air, and a lullaby of mercy settled gently everywhere. The earth longed for redemption, for a love that would not cease, and heaven bowed in reverence as the child became our peace. The angels cry, fall on your knees, let your weary heart remember the night when love descended like a fire in December. Hear heaven's song, a whisper carried on the breeze, a Savior born for all the world, where the angels whispered peace.
The manger and the majesty, oh holy was the moment when his tiny hands first curled. A king without a kingdom, yet the heir of all the world. The cattle lowed around him, but their quiet couldn't hide the power in his presence the Creator laid inside. The prophet saw this moment from the days of ancient men, a child who'd break the darkness and make earth bright again. The star that led the wise men shone upon his sacred face, and every soul who sought him felt the warmth of heaven's grace. He came to lift the fallen, to make every sorrow cease, to bind the broken-hearted with his perfect endless peace. Call of the heavens, fall on your knees, let your weary heart remember the night when hope was born in a cradle made of timber. Lift up your eyes, see salvation in the least, a Savior born for all the world, where the angels whispered peace. And still the world grows darker, but his star still leads the way. Through every lonely midnight, his light breaks into day. The same song sung in Bethlehem still echoes through our tears. Rejoice, Emmanuel has come to calm our fears. So bring him all your burdens, lay them softly at his feet, for the babe who slept in swaddling clothes now stands to make you complete. The world awake, fall on your knees, let your trembling soul remember the Lamb who came to save us on that night in bleak December. Let voices arise, let the broken find release, for Christ was born to heal the world, where the angels whispered peace.